Hello guys, here my latest new CO2 pistol, the Crosman 2240. It's a single shot CO2 pistol. CO2 goes right in here, unscrew that, CO2 capsule here, and it's a lock system. With every shot you open it like that, bullet here, lock, and wait, safety off, and like that. With every shot it works that way. It's nice to shoot with. It shoots approximately 140 meters per second. That's the power it shoots. So I like shooting with it. Now it's original, but within a couple of weeks I'm going to put some stuff on it, like a red dot laser point. So I will be back with it. So okay, bye bye.